Hurry up.
Why?
'Cause I don't know how much film I got. Very nice.
The hat off now.
Yeah, go ahead.
Thank you. Anyway, Jeff, if you see this, thank you for the hat. Love it. Just playing in the tree, trying to camo. But
Alright, do 2 backflips. I mean, 2 back handsprings. Yeah.
see if I have enough room.
You know, one's gonna have to be short. Alright, keep your feet together though.
Sorry.
Alright, try it again.
Okay.
Nice. Alright, say bye.
No.
Yeah, I'm running out of tape.
You are?
What do you want to do? Hurry up.
Backflip.
Very nice. Watch out for the gun. Alright. say goodbye.
Wait, one more. You are watching this, I will get you. Kill!
Stop.
Okay, bye.
Alright, bye.